Fortnite right now. Like,
Have you seen these motherfuckers?
What are you watching?
McCreamy and Zuckles, bro. They're going off right.
what do I think about XD Clan? Honestly, probably one of the best clans going on right now in Fortnite.
I love XD more than I love my own mother. It's probably the greatest thing.
On some real shit, XD is fucking sick.
XD Clan ain't nothing to mess with, man. You know about XD Clan, right? They don't mess around, bro.
It literally reminds me of the old Call of Duty trick-shotting days. Keep killing it.
Yeah, I heard about that XD Clan. They're always out there stealing my 360 no-scopes.
How's on this random XD thing going on? I like it, dude. XD gang is what it's all about.
Bro, they're better than FaZe.
Shut up, dude. Shut up.
Hi there, we're XD and we're about to change Fortnite. Yeah.
My friends if you can write channel down, because they really want to watch it. I thought it's about Fortnite. I like Fortnite.
Oh my god.
That will kind of work.
What?
I don't know if it's working. Yeah.
Me sniper man. Me sniper master.
Hey! Shut up.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I'm just doing some mind the noise. Mind the noise. Yeah,
No way.
Yeah, sure. I'm recording.
Get the fuck out of my pool! Bastard fucking! What the fuck are you doing in my pool?
I'm getting my trick shot on, man. I'm practicing, man. The next XD Clan montage.
What in the fuck is an XD Clan?
Haha. You don't know? XD is the biggest thing since your mom's ass.
What the fuck?
I'm just kidding. We're XD. Fortnite sucks ass with nothing but SMGs and golf carts these days, and it's hard to have fun anymore.
Oh.
Don't worry, XD represents bringing fun back to Fortnite with trick shotting. All you have to do is go to the description, click the Twitter link, follow the Twitter, then submit your craziest shots to the Gmail, and we'll put you in the next montage. That's if you have XD in front of your name, of course.
Now that just sounds fucking ridiculous.
Wow. So.
It's not just open it, isn't it? Not your face.
Yeah.
I thought you were doing your face.
No, I'm not allowed. So I'm new to this channel. If I'm bad, don't hate. Hate us back off, bitch. Give me any suggestions on what I can do to make this new channel improve, and you like the videos.
Add an intro.
Add an intro. I can't edit.
So you can do it on an app.
Okay, so I'll start editing, and so Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Leave in the comment section what you would like to see. Peace.